And we have an opportunity to let you in on the sounds of All-Star Saturday right here.
Golden Bowl!
What we gonna do?
Golden Bowl!
What we gonna do?
Golden Bowl!
Air ball. Big free! Whoa, get some of that, buddy. 4 and 1. Pass, see?
Yeah. He can't shoot.
I got him, coach. Yeah, coach, I got this D. I got this D on him. I got this D on him. Yeah, I got this D on him.
I could have had a V8.
You can't be embarrassing me like that, man.
Came in, man.
I thought me and you was hurt, man.
You just came in.
You was hurt, man.
Let's get control.
What you gonna do? All right, I recover.
Get back! You a crybaby, boy. You a crybaby. You doing this stuff in practice. You be crying in practice.
Hey, Steve, that's real foul, man.
Come on, man. They ain't embarrassing us, man.
Run the high pick and roll now. Mike's hot. If they come up, get the 5 men up high, we'll be. Kenyon, put Mike Miller in the right corner. Seeing you come off, mow you high, when you over here, okay? Just high.
A pretty interesting byplay going on.